Welcome everybody. Today we've got Red Alert. He was a fire engine Lamborghini. Just a clone of Sunstreaker and Sideswipe. He wasn't, I think they saw that those two were selling good, so they decided to make some more of them. Let's pull his head back. He's another one who feels pretty good as far as the transformation. He doesn't feel like he's going to fall apart. He's a little loose here and there, especially in his arms. I think that seems to be a pretty common point of weakness for these guys. But, you know, does a pretty good job of turning into I say that one fair representation of No Countach. He rolls. It's not the smoothest roll, but it does work. I think it's there was no, that's like him and the other fire engine, I think it was called Inferno, evidently teamed up in the show some. I'm trying to see if that's supposed to go, seems like they should be next to each other rather than have that loop here, but maybe not. It always goes back into that. They're not. Okay, well there it went a little bit. Yeah, I had to force it down a little bit. Well, on this side it did. Just look at this side, don't look at the other side. But I say, I actually never, I ended up trading for a Sunstreaker because I thought that was the coolest looking of all the Transformers, car form. And I think I traded my cousin something for it, a bunch of Hot Wheels or something for it. I remember having him. He was all broken and janky, but he was like I say, this is just like I say, a clone of him. It's not, there's nothing real. But let's say, I still like him. I still think it's a cool little toy. Is that supposed to? No, it doesn't lock in on his head. Just sort of. I was trying to remember. Sometimes these things lock in place more places than you think they would. But anyway, there's old Red Alert. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.